Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 7 herbs that can protect your eyes and improve your vision naturally. Whether you're struggling with vision issues or simply want to maintain healthy eyesight, these herbs can make a significant difference. 1. Bilberry. This small, blueberry-like fruit is packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which can help protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals. Pro tip: take 120-240 milligrams of bilberry extract daily for optimal eye health. 2. Ginkgo biloba. Known for its ability to improve circulation, ginkgo biloba enhances blood flow to the eyes, promoting better vision and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Pro tip: take 120-240 milligrams of ginkgo biloba extract daily to support eye circulation. 3. Eyebright. As the name suggests, this herb has been traditionally used to treat various eye conditions. Eyebright reduces inflammation and relieves eye strain, making it a valuable ally for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Pro tip: brew a cup of eyebright tea and apply it topically to soothe tired eyes. 4. Turmeric. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Pro tip: add turmeric to your meals or take a curcumin supplement to reap its eye protective benefits. 5. Saffron. This vibrant spice not only adds flavor to dishes, but also contains carotenoids like crocin and quercetin, which can improve visual acuity and protect the retina from oxidative stress. Pro tip: incorporate saffron into your cooking or take a saffron supplement to support eye health. 6. Bilberry. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach helps filter harmful blue light and protects the eyes from damage caused by ultraviolet radiation. Pro tip: enjoy spinach raw in salads or lightly cooked to retain its nutrients. 7. Goji berry. These nutrient-rich berries are loaded with vitamins A and C, essential for maintaining good vision and preventing eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma. Pro tip: snack on dried goji berries or add them to your morning smoothie for a boost of eye-friendly nutrients. There you have it, the top 7 herbs to protect your eyes and improve your vision naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. And remember, taking care of your eyes is essential for a lifetime of clear vision. Resources to learn more: Rationale Institute HTS, W. NA, N. Gov. American Academy of Ophthalmology HTS, W. AAO.org/.WebMD Health Center HTS, W. WebMD.com/i-health/default.htm